Number 4. Restriction enzyme. Also known as enzyme nucleus. This little guy here is a restriction enzyme. Also, an enzyme nucleus. What I'm drawing here is a strip of DNA. These things here are hydrogen bonds. Again, we got hydrogen bonds here. And now we got codons. AAA, THC, TT. And then it'll go opposite on the other side. A, and the opposite would be T, 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 A, T, C, G, A. And now we are cutting this up like a restriction enzyme would do. Now this would be called a gene. Not those guys, but yeah. These things right here are phosphorylated bonds. Phosphorylated bonds. And this here is a gene. And then we got 40 base pairs. And the job of the restriction enzyme is that it cuts DNA in a specific sequence. Person 1. Person 1 gene has 40 base pairs, 40 BP, which is also known as 40 base pairs. Number 5, polymerase chain reaction, also known as PCR. What this does is it makes extra copies of DNA. Now, our first strip of gene, or our first gene, is from the crime scene. It has 40 base pairs. These are strips of DNA. The first one from the crime scene has 40 base pairs. The second one has 40 base pairs, and it is from person 1. And last but not least, the third one has 10 base pairs, and it's from person 2. Now we are drawing arrows onto one another, and we will have PCR done, polymerase chain reaction, which we will be making extra copies of gene. And now we have 3 copies of each gene. Person number 2. This person had the gene of 10 BP, 10 base pairs. Number 6. DNA electrophoresis. What this does is the DNA is negatively charged, and it will attract to positively charged. The substance is called agarose, which is used especially in gels for electrophoresis. And what we got here is we have the control 6.5 and person 1, person 2. Then we got 40 BP, base pairs, 30 BP, 20 BP, and then 10 BP. At the top here, I didn't write this down, but it's a negative charge. At the top, it will be a negative charge right above where I named the depth. And at the bottom, we have positively charged. The control, it has 40 BP, 30 BP, 20 BP, and 10 BP. Person 2 and controlled have 10 BP. And nothing else had 20 BP, and nothing else had 30 BP. And then 6.5 and person 1 have 40 BP. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.